What's up, ACMi? I'm your host, Tyler Robichaux, back again with another episode. And today we have Operations Manager Jeff here, and we're going to do an exciting unboxing for you.
We're opening the box. All right, let's do it. So, do you know anything about this unit?
I don't. I don't know anything about this. You seem very excited.
I am very excited. We have been doing Skype videos for some time here at ACMi, and we always had to configure these small converters to be able to pull the Skype into our system, the video line through one converter, the audio line through another converter, and Skype has made it so you can't use those converters anymore. Why? Because now they make their own hardware.
Their own hardware?
So this system is going to allow us to have up to 4 Skype users or Skype guests, and we can configure them through our router. And so this is a 4-channel system.
Oh, wow.
So I'm very excited about it.
4 channels.
4.
All
right. So quick link, product package list.
Ooh.
Let's you want to give me a hand here? I'm going to lift the unit, and you can get rid of the box.
Okay.
Anything good in there?
There is. There's some bubble wrap.
All right,
and some cords.
Hours and hours of fun.
That's my favorite part of an unboxing.
All right. So here, that's for later. You can.
Yes, thank you.
Have
I will
all
take
the
this
popping
home.
fun you'd like. This, we've got some mini SDI to standard SDI. So these are BNC connectors, and the mini connectors on this end tell me that the back of this unit is going to be mini SDI. So let's pull this up. I'm so excited to see what this thing can do. It's suffocating. We got to pull the plastic off. All right.
Oh, then.
Gentle. We're going to set the red button off. Okay. So let's see. An introduction letter. That's what we got there.
Oh.
We should have 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 2 power cables. Is that what these are? 2 power cables.
They look it.
Redundancy. Very important.
Really?
One power supply goes, the other one takes over.
So are they both plugged in at the same time?
Yep. And what will happen is if one of the power supplies goes, the other one will keep it alive, and an alarm will go off telling you that one of the power supplies went.
Oh.
There's also some fans on there. So we could take a look at the back here. For anyone that's a tech geek, this is awesome. So we've got some mini SDI lines. These are going to be both SDI ins and outs per channel. We've got XLR inputs so that we can choose what audio we want to go in. And then it looks like we get some audio out opportunities. So we can hook this thing directly into our audio mixer and control everything individually. So the video lines and the audio lines, everything's controlled separately. And then, I mean, it's basically a computer. It's a Windows box.
Oh.
So, or it's a PC, I should say. So it is exciting. This is, again, we can show you, and it's got a video screen up front. So cool.
Wow.
Looks like some USB 3 options here in the front. I'll keep these little plugs in there.
So can you charge your phone on it, or?
It's just a computer, so I would assume so.
There we go.
But the processors are going to be big enough to handle the speed of video signals, HD video signals going back and forth. It'll be hooked up to the network. It looks like it has redundant network capacity. So again, very excited with the new Skype
Box
TX. Quick Link is the name of this box. So very excited. Thank you very much for having me on and
Thank you.
being able to do the unboxing.
I hope you enjoyed us unboxing a box. Surprise! Jeff has a second box.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Jeff in the Box. What's in Jeff's box?
Broadcast picks. So we are super excited. We've been waiting a long time for this upgrade. So we are broadcast picks fan here at ACMi. We're using Broadcast Picks technology in all of our studios, and our portable studio is also Broadcast Picks.
Oh.
So they are serving. I don't know if you'll know what we're looking at, but have you ever seen a server before?
I don't think I have, Jeff.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'm excited.
Ooh. Cue lights.
Ooh.
All right. So
What are we looking at, Jeff?
accessories.
We have a Logitech keyboard and a mouse. Wow.
Audio
And
line.
This is an audio line.
Whoa, this is really heavy
What is it?
for being such a small box.
Can I hold it? Oh, it is
Right?
heavy.
So those are the rails that allow you to put it into a rack
Okay.
and slide the server unit in and out. So I'm all excited because
You're
this
very
is like,
excited.
I'm geeking out.
This is
true.
really. I have no idea what any of this is, but
So these are DVI to mini DVI display ports.
okay.
But again,
Sure.
accessories for a new, very powerful Windows server. So it's pretty exciting. This has 2 power supplies. Why would we need...
Redundancy. I'm learning.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, wow, there's a lot of these.
I
So
don't know why there's
I'm
so many.
I'm
of them.
assuming there's. You know what this means?
What
this
does it mean,
means
Jeff? What does it mean?
1, 2, 3. Where are the other ones?
4, 5.
5. This probably means there's 5 output cards. So we've only ever used 2. So super stoked. Again, very cool. All right, so that's just the accessory
Jeff.
box.
That's just the accessory box.
All right, what else we got?
What lies beneath?
I'm gonna need your
Jeff's
help.
box.
This is gonna be a lot heavier than the other.
Oh no.
So if you want to grab that end, I'll grab this end.
I don't work out much, Jeff. Okay. Cool.
Let's kick it to the ground.
Okay, there goes Jeff's box.
All right.
And we have another black box.
This is exciting. Come on. So
What is it?
this is.
I mean, I know you kind of.
I know. I'm now realizing this is probably not as exciting to folks that don't know what this is. So this is an edit server. It's not an edit server. It's a video production switcher server. Ooh. All right. So 13035. Very exciting. This is Broadcast Picks' new Granite switcher. And we are excited to install it into ACMi's Studio A control room.
Wow.
So look at the back end.
Oh.
So this is going to allow it to connect to our I/O panel. What's this?
The redundant
Redundant.
power
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
thing.
So
Adapter?
there are a lot more opportunities here. So I'm seeing 4 display outs, even though we have 5
What's with that?
connectors, but that's all right.
We have an extra.
And there's also an HDMI and an SDI out here. Not too sure what those are, but I'm sure there's a manual online, so we're gonna look it up.
Who needs
Well,
directions?
Thank you very much. This is usually
Thank you.
a very exciting time for me, and I'm glad to share it with you all.
It was riveting, one might say.
You don't buy new switchers every.
Thank you for watching What's Up, ACMi.
All right, what's up, ACMI?